youth power.
Yes.
Nagulat ka that they existed.
Hindi ako nagulat kasi nakita ko sila eh. So firstly, as you know, ang genesis ko naman ay National Youth Commission rin and being a student leader. So the power of the youth, I've known that they've always been there. Yung paniniwala ko, bigyan mo lang ng tamang opportunity yung kabataan. Actually, bigyan mo ng tamang opportunity yung Pilipino. Yung Pilipino mismo kakayanin niya, no? Yung pagtulong sa kanyang sarili, especially with young people. That's why we focused on free education. So when we passed that law, we knew na maraming matutulungan. We knew that a lot of people will feel that, a policy, a law, a program of government can actually affect them positively. Kasi kadalasan feeling mo, yung ginagawa ng gobyerno, wala naman itong nagagawa sa akin eh. In fact, sagabal pa nga eh. But for that particular law, talagang inlagaan namin na di mo kailangan dumaan sa politiko, di mo kailangan magmano kay mayor, kay congressman or senator para makuha mo yung tuition mo. That program is there. It's probably one of the few programs in government na wala kang kailangang politiko na mag-sign off para makuha mo yun. Kailangan ka lang pumasa sa entrance exam. Maraming Pilipino naghahanap ng pagbabago. I think that's why umabot kami in the end.
So when we talk